Recovering distributed SQL databases across multiple regions can be complex and time-consuming. AWS Backup now offers an improved restore workflow for Amazon Aurora DSQL multi-region clusters to address this challenge. You can initiate restoration from a single region, while AWS Backup manages the process across all regions. The system automatically identifies backup copies in peer regions, restores backups across all regions, and links restored clusters to complete the multi-region cluster creation. This streamlined approach enables faster and more reliable restoration, enhancing your business continuity and recovery capabilities for Aurora DSQL multi-region clusters. GPU-intensive workloads often require dedicated GPU instances, which can be costly and inefficient for smaller tasks. Amazon EC2 G6F instances solve this by offering fractional GPU partitions, allowing you to right-size your GPU resources. You can provision partitions as small as 1/8 of a GPU, enabling cost-effective use for various graphics workloads. These instances support remote workstations and ML research across multiple global regions. You can easily launch G6F instances through the AWS console, CLI, or SDKs, making it simple to integrate into your existing workflows and optimize your GPU usage.